Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another episode of Love the Location. My name is Diego Torres Colo from Towers Capital, and today I'm going to show you a beautiful 3-bedroom penthouse right at Azul 5s. It's beachfront, it's huge, 398 square meters, $679,000. Beautiful space. Come with me and check it out. My friends, there's a few things that you need to know about Azul 5s before I show you the 3-bedroom penthouse. One thing that's very important is that it's beachfront. So there's a lot of different faces. Today we're going to show you an apartment in tower number 2, but the apartment is really close to the beach, and you have private access to the beach and the beach club. You have over 6 pools in different areas located around Azul 5s. You have a bunch of restaurants, a lot of amenities, a spa, a place for kids. So you have everything that you might need while you're here on holiday, or even if you live here long term. This is a perfect place to relax, enjoy the jungle, and enjoy the sea.
What do you say? Look up to the sky and see the light. Feel the air in your lungs, it'll be alright. Every breath that you take means you're in the fight. Let it take you higher. Look out at the road, wonder where it goes. Feel the wind in your hair, grass in your toes. Let go of your cares, only you will know what sets your soul on fire. It's been too long, so pick yourself up and dust yourself off, 'cause you are enough. Oh, strike that match, you know what you need to burn and to bleed. Fall deeply in love, so just let go of all your old fear, and all you hold dear is what will remain. And soon you'll see the flames you run through, making you into who you're supposed to be. Look up to the sky and see the light. Feel the air in your lungs, it'll be.
Hello my friends, welcome to the apartment. The first thing that I want to show you about this place is this little lobby area, which is really great because it gives you access to the triple lock-off system. That's something that you're not going to find. It's very rare. So the great thing about this place is whether you live here or you use it as vacation rentals in the system that the hotel has, you can really turn it into 3 different alternate spaces that you can rent out. So you can pretty much rent it out as 2 huge hotel rooms, each one with 2 queen-size beds, or the big penthouse that has an amazing rooftop. So something that I really want to show you is the kitchen area. As you can see, it's a really large kitchen. It comes fully equipped. The whole apartment is fully furnished and equipped, which is a great thing. And I do like the fact that all the carpentry, as well as the cabinets, they're all first quality. This is a building that was built 12 years ago, and everything still withstands. And something that I really like about this apartment in particular is that it was designed completely different than the rest of the apartments. This place, I think, has a lot of character, and the character starts here in the living area, which is a pretty large area with a private balcony, which is something I love about this apartment, is that every single bedroom and the whole living area has its own balcony. So there's 4 balconies plus the rooftop. So you have a lot of outdoor space. And moving on from the kitchen, you do have a dining area, which is really nice. And something I love about this apartment, one of the main characteristics that I like, is the fact that it has a stone wall. It adds some volume to the apartment, which I really like. And something that I've always told you in the videos that I love is when you can open up these big doors and complete or make one big space out of the outdoor and the indoor area. So that gives you a lot of flexibility to use this apartment for family and friends, to have gatherings, to enjoy the apartment with a lot of people, and the social area is large enough to accommodate everybody.
Go, find your own way. Go, capture the day. Don't listen to what they say. Go, don't be afraid. I know that you're brave. Go, find your own way. Find your way. Go.
One of the things that I really like about the living room, and I want to remind you, is that it comes fully equipped and furnished. So it includes this humongous TV, which is actually brand new. A lot of the appliances in the apartment are brand new, like the refrigerator as well. You have over 6 pools, you have over 10 restaurants, you have places to go out and have coffee, like the Marley coffee shop that we had breakfast this morning. This is actually living in luxury hotel, but it's absolutely yours. Now let's check out the bedroom, which is actually pretty big and really nice, because it has everything as an open space. It makes the place feel really, really large, which actually it is. The apartment is a total of 398 square meters, which in feet is like 4,300 square feet. So it's a really big place. And as you can see, the master bedroom has a king size bed, again, fully equipped. You have a balcony which overlooks the pool, which is actually really nice. And then you have a huge space for the bathroom. Something that I love about the bathrooms here at the Fives is that the shower is always separated from the toilet. And in this case, in the master bedroom, you have a jacuzzi, which is really nice. And something important that we always talk about is the double sink. It's always a solution to marital problems, if you know what I mean. And you have a great closet space as well. Very generous closet space in all of the bedrooms. My friends, before we go check out the other 2 bedrooms, I want to quickly remind you to subscribe to our channel, Towers Capital. There you're going to find a lot of information about the real estate industry in the Riviera Maya, as well as the lifestyle. As you can see in our videos, we love living in the Caribbean. We want to share that with you so that you fall in love with the location. Please follow, click on the notification bells, and if you have any questions, comment below and we'll gladly get back to you. And without further ado, let's go check out the other 2 bedrooms. Great, so this is one of the 2 extra bedrooms. As you can see, and I told you before, you have 2 queen size beds, which easily sleeps 4 people. And another thing that I love about all the bedrooms is that each one of them has a terrace or a balcony. This one overlooks part of the pool. You get a lot of natural light throughout the whole apartment, which is something that I love. Really large closet space. And something I like about the closets is that they open up from the inside of the room, and they also open up from the bathroom side of the room, which is also really cool. So come check out the bathroom with me. So one of the great things about this apartment is that all of the bathrooms are very, very spacious. Even though this is the 2nd bedroom, the 2nd and the 3rd bedroom have huge bathrooms, all of them with double sinks, all of them with the shower separated from the toilet, and with a really large closet. So it doesn't matter if you're in the master or in either one of the bedrooms, whether you're here for just a short-term stay or you're living here, you have a lot of space to really feel comfortable, to really feel in luxury, and to really enjoy being here in the Fives. Finally, my friends, this is the 3rd bedroom, which is actually pretty much a mirror image of the 2nd bedroom. You also have the 2 large queen size beds, the very spacious closet, and the very similar bathroom, which is actually huge. The great thing about it, again, is that you have your own private terrace and balcony. Now that you've seen the 3 bedrooms, I want to show you the highlight of this penthouse. It's a rooftop, which is really, really big. It has a private jacuzzi. Come check it out with me and let's have some fun. My friends, check out the size of this rooftop. This is huge, and it has everything that you could ask for when you're upstairs. You have a really nice area for sunbathing. You have a jacuzzi, which is really nice. And my favorite area is over here in the dining area with the barbecue or with the grill, so you can really enjoy the outside. The best thing about this penthouse, besides the size of the rooftop, is that everywhere you look, you're gonna find a lot of green. So you're actually right in between the jungle. And the great thing about the Fives is that we're at the beachfront. Just a few meters away and you'll be at the beach. You'll go through pools, you'll go through mangroves, you'll go through beautiful bridges. This place is amazing. Remember that even though it's a 3-bedroom penthouse, which is beautiful and it can be used for living, you are in a 5-star resort right on the beachfront of the Caribbean Sea in Playa del Carmen. Only thing that I could wish right now in this beautiful sun is to be in my bathing suit and have some of my friends and family here to enjoy a beautiful barbecue. Maybe if I wish hard enough, it will happen.
There ain't nothing like sunshine and air to make you feel like you don't have a care. There ain't no one else around but you. So here's exactly what you're gonna do. Take your hands and dig deep into your soul. Let yourself lose control. Turn it up, so get up. Can you feel it all over? No, you're meant for that when you get the chance. So put on your favorite song and dance.
What am I supposed to do?
It's a good day to have a good day. So tighten up your laces and be on your way. It's a good time to have a good time. So feel the beat down in your bones and smile. Oh, take your hands and dig deep into your soul. Let yourself lose control. Turn it up, so get up. Can you feel it all over? No, you're meant for that when you get the chance. So put on your favorite song. I wanna see ya. I wanna see ya. I wanna see you dance now. I wanna see ya. I wanna see ya. I wanna see you dance now. Can you feel it Put on your favorite song and
Well, my friends, as you can see, there's a lot of things that you can do here at the Fives. The options are endless, and you can also do something intimate with friends and family like we did today, having a barbecue here on the rooftop. I had a great day. I hope you did too. Remember to subscribe to the channel if you want more information about the real estate market in the Riviera Maya. If you want information about this property specifically, all the links are below. Thank you so much for watching this video. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, the notification buttons, all of the buttons. And if you have any comments, please leave them below. And if you want an advisor, we'll gladly get back to you and help advise you in the next investment that you want to make in the Riviera Maya. My name is Diego Torres Colo from Towers Capital, and that's everything for today. See you later.